Hey everyone, welcome back to A Car Chaser. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Iveco S-Way sports a sleek, aerodynamic design that's built for efficiency. The front grille has been redesigned for better airflow, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. It's also equipped with LED headlights that offer better visibility while giving it a modern, aggressive look on the road. Those large chrome accents on the grille, pure class. And check out the two 2.5-inch alloy wheels. They not only enhance the appearance but also contribute to the truck's handling and ride quality. Now, onto the engine and performance. The S-Way comes with several engine options, but the star of the show is the Cursor 13, a 1.2.9-liter diesel engine capable of producing up to 570 horsepower. Iveco has also included an optional LNG, liquefied natural gas variant, which reduces CO2 emissions significantly. This is great for long-haul drivers who are conscious of their environmental footprint, and thanks to the advanced transmission system, gear shifts are smooth, making those long drives a lot more comfortable. One of the standout features of the 2025 S-Way is the incredible fuel efficiency. Iveco claims it's improved by up to 4% compared to the previous model, which could save you big bucks in the long run. Plus, with a range of over 1,600 miles on a full tank in the LNG variant, this truck is designed for drivers who need to go the extra mile literally. Let's jump inside. The cabin of the S-Way is all about driver comfort and technology. The seats are fully adjustable with heating and cooling options, and the materials used in the interior feel premium soft touch surfaces, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and chrome accents throughout. The dashboard features a 12-inch digital display with navigation, real-time vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment options. There's also a built-in fridge, so you can keep your snacks and drinks cool on those long hauls. And speaking of tech, the S-Way comes equipped with Iveco's advanced driver assistance systems. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and even a driver fatigue monitoring system. It's designed to make those long trips not only easier but a whole lot safer. Price-wise, the 2025 Iveco S-Way starts at around $120,000 depending on the configuration. That's competitive for a truck with this level of technology, comfort, and performance. Considering its fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, it's a solid investment for any trucking business. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Iveco S-Way the future of long-haul trucking? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you'd consider this as your next truck. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the latest cars and trucks. Thanks for watching A Car Chaser, and I'll see you in the next video.